Lights, glamour, action! Join us for an evening of fashion, style, and glamour. The 2015 Summer Sizzle BVI Global Glamour Runway Fashion Show and After Party. Hosted by Taraji P. Henson, star of Fox's mega hit Empire. And special guest appearance by Jussie Smollett from Empire. On Saturday, July 25th at Multipurpose Center at 8 p.m. with special guest designers, Project Runway stars Leanne Marshall and Koto Mamulu, Yumi Katsura, Kevin Hall, and BVI's very own Triple Designs and more. Tickets $35 general seating, $85 VIP preferred seating, and $125 VIP front row seats. Ticket outlets in Tortola, CCT, Bolos, Hazim Beauty Supplies, Oasis, Bob's Gas and Service Station, Studio One and Spa, Kristen Fraser Trifle, Virgin Gorda, CCT, and St. Thomas Urban Threads. This event is sponsored by BVI Tourist Board as official presenting sponsor, Government of the British Virgin Islands, Office of the Premier, CCT, JTV, Lux Life Media, Bob's Gas, Cape Air, Surf Song Villas, Norman Allen, Game On Inc., Florencia Cosmetics, JY Harborview Marina, Deluz Mongoose, and Z-Rod 103.7 FM. Don't miss this spectacular fashion show on Saturday, July 25th at the Multipurpose Center. For more information, visit summersizzlebvi.com.